I got in touch with DFW Capsules during our renovation for our agency that I worked for. We had some water damage and we had to do a remodel. The delivery process was super easy. We went and talked to them and they brought it out, I think, within a couple of days. Having our capsule delivered almost to the front door was really helpful because we were able to move all of our furniture right into the capsule, all of our computers, all of our supplies that we needed. All the contractors, the sheetrockers were able to just get the job done as smoothly and quickly as possible. We had our capsule about 2 months. In that time, our staff did work out of the capsule. I thought that it was going to be a lot more expensive than what it was. And so I was really surprised at how affordable that it was, especially for our agency being nonprofit. Just, worked out really great for us.